house.
You know, look
And
at
then
the
bodyguards,
noise. Look at the noise, and every space like Nadia, which used to be a serene place.
Yes.
It is church there. They are playing da 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 da. They are playing. Everyone is shouting.
Yeah. And everyone in Kampala is full of noise.
So where do we see children that they are taking their lives?
Yeah.
We have a case of Ntare School.
Yeah.
When I share with my children and my nephews, they think I went to an international school.
Yeah.
Because school started at 8 o'clock.
Yeah.
10:30, we had break, and we had to go out and play for 30 minutes.
Yes.
I'm talking of primary school.
Yes.
At 11 o'clock, we go back to class. And then we study for about 1.5 hours.
Yeah.
And from 12:30, we begin singing. Made the lower classes now, that is when we engage in singing and dancing and all that. When was the last time you went out to dance?
Rare. Because they are rare dance classes. They are there, but not so common.
Go out and dance, go to the club.
Yeah.
Now Kampala has no discotheque.
Actually, in Kampala, there are no discotheques anymore. I just want to tell you this.
So where do
and people think it is modernity. It's the modern times, especially people from Kampala. They always think that because when you see Angenois,
yes,
Silk Royal, Club Silk, and from Angenois it came to
well, and Mystic,
Mystic, whatever. So
and Governor.
on Governor, these clubs went down, but people thought it is the modern way because the open bars have come. Yes. Yes.
Because now the green spaces, you took them away and put up structures.
Yes. And then the clubs have also shut down.
So in Kampala, where do I play football from? Because the pitches were taken away.
People have started creating these funny pitches that I've seen that have no green. Actually, they are just small spaces people have created for people to go in and socialize.
Kampala, if you look at the Kampala structure,
yes,
it was planned the city.
Yes.
Except that now we have forgotten that these. If you look at there was the freedom area. I think the grounds towards Queensway.
Yeah.
There was that ground space.
The Independence.
Yes, I think the Independence Park.
Yeah.
Now you can't go
City Square.
You can't go to City Square.
Yes.
I hope we're still talking about mental issues, mental health.
Yes.
And for me, where do you go